Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. I have a 2005 Chevy Tahoe Z71. I bought this Spectre system years ago. It's done me well. Really like it. But at this point, my filter that's washable and reusable has pretty much deteriorated and kind of broke off. And as you can see, it's in really bad shape. I mean, it's done its job, but it has fallen apart. So what I'm going to do is put this K&N filter on there and show you how to install it, so stick around. So what I want to do with this, as you can see how it comes and how it's put together. This garbage. So next what I want to do is release this lock right here, this mechanism. Pull this out, pull that up. Now I can squeeze this in and pull this off. What you want to do is take your little latch pin, make sure it's turned this way with that little latch pointing towards you. Slide it back in here, just like that. That way you don't lose it, and all you got to do is snap it back down on there when you're done. Now go ahead and loosen this clamp here. It's going to take a 5/16 socket and an extension if you got it, or a screwdriver. Just break that loose. Take this whole thing off. Now if it's a little tight on there, take your screwdriver and just start prying it apart all the way around. It should come out, or it should come apart, and then go ahead and pull it out and get it to a place where you can work on it. You're probably going to need an old rag because this stuff leaves some rubber all over your hands, because if yours is as bad as mine. Take this clamp off. And then pull this away from that, because you don't need this anymore. And now just go ahead and remove this piece of rubber and this clamp, because you don't need it anymore. This should come right off. Now all you got is your sensor. The way that this K&N filter comes, nice filter. It's got these pieces in here so you can put it on different diameter pipes. So just take your little screwdriver, poke it in there and push it, and then I got to take two of them, so I got two of them out. This is how big of a hole I need. And what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to take my sensor, my mass airflow sensor is what this is, and I'm going to put it in there like that. I want to tighten the clamp down. Okay, here it is. You want to make sure your clamp's on there pretty good, and you want to make sure that it's not way back here or underneath. You want to get this here at the top by where the sensor plugs in, because you might have to take this off and clean it one day. Just a heads up. Now let's go ahead and put this back on. Now go in here, take your assembly and slide it up in here. It should go right. It should go in. If it won't go in, just take you a small screwdriver and start lifting up on the rubber, or just work it around. Turn this up. I'll leave this straight up and down so I can plug this in over here. Go ahead and tighten up your clamp. Plug it in. That's all there is to it. I hope this helps. Like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.